I'm now going to show you how to calculate an enthalpy change. The first example is combustion of a fuel. So 5 grams of ethanol is combusted. The energy released from this combustion is used to heat up 150 centimetre cubed of water by 2.5 degrees. We use the equation that I can work out an energy change of mc delta T, with m being the mass of solution being heated, C is the specific heat capacity, and for water this is 4.2 joules per gram per Kelvin, which means that if I had 1 gram of water, it would take 4.2 joules of energy to increase that water by 1 Kelvin. Delta T is the temperature change. Now this really should be in Kelvin. However, as we know, 2.5 degrees centigrade is 2.5 degrees Kelvin. So let's do my calculation. So energy change is equal to the mass. Now it's the mass of the solution being heated, not the mass of the fuel being combusted. I have 150 centimetre cubed of water. The density of water is 1 gram per centimetre cubed, and so I have 150 grams. So the mass we use is in grams. Times by the specific heat capacity of water, 4.2, times it by my temperature change, 2.5, 150 times by 4.2 times by 2.5 gives me an answer of 1575 joules. Okay. I need to convert this into kilojoules, divide by 1000, 1.575 kilojoules. Now this is not an enthalpy change, because an enthalpy change is per mole. I didn't have a mole of ethanol, I had 5 grams. So the first thing I need to do is work out the moles of ethanol used. 5 divided by 12 times 3 plus 16, my oxygen, plus 6 hydrogens. So that's 5 divided by 58. Oops. Equals 0.08621. Just leave it to 4 significant figures for the moment. I'm going to leave that value in my calculator. To work out the energy per mole, so delta H of this reaction is equal to the change in energy divided by the number of moles I get an answer of 18.27 kilojoules per mole. Now the last thing I need to think about, if this is a positive change in energy, my temperature increased. That means my reaction is exothermic. This is a positive change in energy in terms of heat energy being released. However, my delta H value is negative because delta H is a change in energy of the system. Energy is being lost because the temperature of the surroundings has increased.